Good morning. Monday, day 41. I've been working on my thumb all weekend. I've been pulling on it and twisting it and moving the joint around a lot and bending it. And I've been working on it this morning. It's feeling a lot better, but not as good as it could. I have a feeling if I just didn't do this for like a week, that it would heal. But I've already said that if I stop doing this, I'm going to stop doing this. I don't know what I did to my thumb, but then again, I don't know what I did to my arm yesterday either. When you get up in your 50s and 60s and 70s, and as you age, I now understand why my grandma used to have bruises all over her arm just from scratching and things like that, because I did something to my arm yesterday and I have no idea what I did. Don't know how I did it. First workout of the morning. Got to get that shoulder in line. This is the one that he relocated for me, so I have to make sure it's in where it's supposed to be. And it's Monday, so I don't know how well I'm going to do. I added those 5 extra reps last week, and let me tell you, I felt it all weekend. Here's my stats. Nothing's changed. Absolutely nothing has changed. I'm still the same weight. I'm still the same diameter. I thought for sure adding extra calories into my diet, I would have gained some weight or maybe gotten a little bigger around. That hasn't happened. So I'm happy about that. Still the same diameter. I want this to go away. I really do. I am so fed up with this. I've been fed up with it for 10 years. And it used to be a lot worse. Believe me. I'm going to see what I can do with this hand today. I really don't want to take time off to let this, because there's no guarantee. I could take a week off and it could still be just as bad. And at that point, I would probably just be like, well, I guess I can't work out anymore, because this way I'm working around it. I'm not quitting or giving up. I'm working around it. See what we can do today. Rest over the weekend helped. I can tell that already. Yeah. And working that hand helped. All right, set them down for a second, shake it off. Still can't do the full set without setting them down for a second. It's okay. I'm doing more than I did last week. So I don't mind setting them down for a second. You might notice my breathing is getting better. About 140 beats a minute. Not terrible. All right. First workout of day 41. Have 2 more to go. I think they'll be much easier today. And by next week, I'm hoping to be able to do the entire set without setting the weights down. But we'll see. In the meantime, thank you for subscribing, clicking the like button, sharing the videos, and throwing me some love. I will see you on Tuesday.